Use my phone for that.
Ladies, so we are now in 5-7, and we are going to learn how to factor when we have a factoring pattern that is a quadratic trinomial of the form x squared plus bx plus c, where c is positive, okay, and the coefficient on the x squared term is 1. Okay, in the general form, it would have a coefficient of a there, and we'll get into that one a little later. Okay, so to go through this process, we are going to start off with a factored form and then build up to the quadratic trinomial, and then through looking at patterns, we'll be able to see how we can start with the quadratic trinomial and then factor it back into the product of two binomials. Okay? So, we're now going to expand it. We know that if we apply FOIL, we'll get to a trinomial. All right? So we're going to use FOIL, and we're going to keep every single term in front of us. So give me the F term.
X squared.
All right? Give me the O term.
4x.
Plus 4x.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Give me the I term.
Plus 2x.
Plus 2x. And give me the L term.
Plus 8.
Plus 8. But I am going to write it as it actually occurs. It's going to be 4 times 2. All right. So now, ladies, we're going to realize here that we have like terms, okay? So we're going to factor that because we have a common factor in them. So I'm going to write this x squared, and I'm going to put the common factor at the end, okay? So I'm going to have the 4 plus the 2 multiplying the x, okay? So you see that it distributes properly, plus 4x, and plus 2x when you distribute it, right? And then plus 4 times 2.
Is it kind of a weird form of FOIL?
No, it's the pure form of FOIL. It's just that I'm showing you every one of the factors
Or one
involved.
of the factors.
Now we go to the final quadratic trinomial. So we'll have what? X squared
Plus 6x.
plus
8.
6x
Plus 8.
plus 8. Okay, so ladies, take a look. All right, here. Okay, so let's analyze the process we've just gone through, which is that starting with the two factors to get down to this, we applied FOIL, right?
Foil.
Okay.
Foil.
Right? And, ladies, now what we want to do is we want to start at the quadratic trinomial, and we want to factor. So going up, we will be factoring.
Yeah,
I
this
just
is
had a video
not understanding Victoria.
All right? So now, ladies, now what we're going to do is analyze each step when we went downward to see if we can use that analysis to take us backward to the factors.
Do
All
we
right?
have to
Wait,
have-
wait. Just let me go through the process. So, ladies, let's take a look. 8 has the two multiplying factors 4 times 2. And so 8 was the product of the two factors 4 times 2. But the center term is the sum of the two factors 4 plus 2 times the x. Okay? So ladies, take a look at the words here. This is now the crux of understanding the process. So guys, to do our factorization, guys, okay, we are looking for multiplying factors of the constant term, the C term, multiplying factors that, when we add them, give us the middle term coefficient.
Yes.
I get
Okay?
it.
Just like
And,
in-
guys, it is each one of those factors that goes into
That formula.
the individual binomials. Okay? So here, these two factors, 4 and 2, 4 and 2, so we get them giving the product 8 and the sum 6. It's those two factors which form the two binomials. So the plus 2 gives us the x plus 2. Okay? The plus 4 gives us the x plus 4.
It makes sense.
Okay, but
I get it.
say you have like a
This is no
12,
longer scary.
12x, and you're going backwards. How do you know to do 6 and 2 or 3 and 4?
Because it's the only one that will add up into the thing.
Right. So,
Oh!
so guys,
Wait, wait, what?
it's a beautiful question what Sidra is asking, because we have,
There's one plus
wait, because guys, normally most composite numbers have multiple factor pairs, right? So you have to find the right factor pair which multiplies to give you the constant term and which add up to give you the central term.
That's so cool.
Is that-
I